Andhra Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan has commenced a significant Padyatra to Tirumala, viewers, marking a momentous journey as he now seeks to connect with the Hindu devotees and also emphasize the importance of Hindu spiritual values. This pilgrimage, which attracts thousands of pilgrims annually, now aims to raise awareness about various social issues while also fostering a sense of community among the people of Andhra Pradesh. Pawan Kalyan's initiative is not only a personal expression of faith, but also a strategic move to engage with the electorate and also strengthen his party's presence in the region.
Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo